What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Just wanted to talk to you in case you're looking for a case for your iPhone. Pick this up. It's by RANVOO. It's called their Clear Silicone Soft TPU bumper case. But as you can see here, just really beautiful. I really love these bumper cases because they are soft. They look good. Like I said, you can see it here. They twist, so they're not hard. They should give you a lot of impact protection. And then it's clear, so you get to show off your phone underneath. But on the back side here, and you can kind of see it, like right here, have little air release bubbles, so you won't get those splotches where it's kind of stuck, like humidity creates stickiness on your clothes to your skin. So we have a really beautiful, bright red chrome trim all the way around, including around the camera lens here, molded in button right there, molded in buttons here, a button cutout, cutouts here for the lightning cable and the microphone and speakers, and just super easy to install. So we'll just take in XS Max here, and I'm just gonna show you, boom, boom, boom. Doesn't get any easier than that. The lip here is maybe just slightly ahead or above the glass here, so if I were to put it down like that, you get a little protection, but it's pretty even. You can see the cutouts match up very nicely. Buttons work perfectly. Nice, easy access to the mute switch there. This button, no problem. And you can see here around the camera housing, you can get a little bit of protection with that raised area around there. But look at that, you know, on the white iPhone, you get that red color. That just looks spectacular. Just a nice way to treat it up without adding a lot of, you know, size to the phone, but giving it a little style, you know, giving it a lot of protection, I think, too. I just really like these RANVOOs. I'll put a link to this one in the description. You can get them in other colors, too. Peter von Panda, out.